vitamins and minerals are essential micronutrients that help our bodies fight infections, help wound healing, make our bones strong, and regulate hormones. In today's fast-paced world, the easiest way to get these micronutrients is through the well-known multivitamin pills and various other supplements which are easily available. But these multivitamin supplements can sometimes have unpleasant side effects like constipation, nausea, and metallic taste. So today, I'm going to talk about a home remedy which is easy to make, tastes great, and is packed with some essential vitamins and minerals for a glowing skin, will boost your hemoglobin levels, strengthen your digestion, and will make you feel energized. It's the ABC Go, the natural juice blend that you can easily make at home from these 5 ingredients: apples, beets, carrots, ginger, and oranges. Apples are a great source of fiber for gut health and rich in antioxidants. Beets provide easy to absorb iron to boost hemoglobin levels, along with vitamin B9, better known as folate, and nitrates to improve blood flow. Carrots are well known for their high beta carotene content, which is great for eye health, combined with vitamin B6. Ginger provides relief from digestive issues and has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties to support immune health. And last but not the least, oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content for great immunity, iron absorption, great for skin, and rich in fiber. So what are you waiting for? Juice your way to health with the ABC Go and get your glow.